Despite today's stock surge, it's been a rocky road for the markets, with the S&P 500 still down more than 6% from the highs, but signs of strength are reappearing. Bob Pisani is at the NYSE to break it all down. Hey, Bob.
Hello, Melissa. You know, the S&P is up 3% since bottoming. That was back on October 29th. Technology and energy have been big underperformers since then. In fact, they're still trading down since then, despite today's rally. But several sectors have notably outperformed, starting with healthcare, up 6.7% since that bottom. That's led by pharmacy benefit manager Cardinal Health, generic drug maker Teva Pharma, drug distributor Cardinal Health, pharmaceutical giant Lilly, all doing really well here. Retailers have had a nice bounce despite Tiffany today, led by Foot Locker, AutoZone, Under Armour, and even Amazon's up 5% this month after dropping, 25% in the last 6 weeks or so? Now, one big laggard to keep an eye on is materials. I talked about this all day today, particularly the metals and mining stocks. They got pummeled on concerns over a stronger dollar, the trade war worries, and particularly the tariff issues. But many have now come off of their bottoms, and today was a really strong day for them. Big gains in Alcoa and Freeport-McMoRan and all the steel firms like Allegheny and AK Steel. Finally, another big mover, financials, up over 6%. Second biggest group in the S&P. It's a diversified group, though, not one sector here. American Express, great month, up nearly 10%. Several of the insurers have been particularly strong. MetLife, Chubb, AIG, all up in the high single digits. Banks are up, but not particularly strong or outstanding compared to the rest of the group. PNC, U.S. Bancorp, and many other regionals up 2 to 4%. Back to you, Melissa.
All right, Bob, thanks. Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange. USB, that was just
nice
your
job
power.
here, buddy.
Yeah. It was so bad, though, yesterday. Right, you got Celine Dion.
You know what
Nobody voted for
it. We all know this, but I'm just elaborating it. What happens oftentimes is you get a little bit of a move that's already happened, and people say, well, you know, I'm afraid of this trade. I think that people are afraid. I think this stock does have upside. It's going to take time. It's going to grind. But I love this name, and it's very clean and pure.
Are these signs of life that Bob pointed out in terms of the markets?
I think there's signs of life, but I'm nervous about the financials. If you look at the 2-10 spread is flattening. It's not widening. So I think that's a headwind for them. Growth is still coming in, decelerating. That's a headwind. There's different anomalies. American Express, bullish. U.S. Bank, bullish. But those are anomalies.